Today we are going to learn that how you can insert page number in your Microsoft Word file. So firstly, make sure you choose the page number that you want to start your numbering from, and I'll choose the page number 2 for this tutorial. So make sure that you tap on the beginning of that specific page and go to option layout and go to breaks and click on the option next page. What it will do is that it will insert a section break in that specific page. So you can see that section break is inserted, and now go on to option insert and go to page number as shown and choose the format you want to select, top of the page, bottom of the page as your choice. For now I'll choose the bottom of the page format. And you can see that the problem that arrived here is that page number that I wanted to start as page number 1 has arrived as page number 3. So I want to change that page number 3 to page number 1. So what I will do is that unlink it to previous pages by clicking on link to previous as shown here. And after unlinking it to previous page, I will delete the remaining pages, and you can see that the page number has faded away. And now I'll go to insert option and again page number, and I'll do formatting of page number. So go on to option start it as shown here and make sure that you tap number 1 at that page. So you can see that the page number 1 has arrived to that specific page. So I have converted that page numbering from number 3 to number 1 so that I could start my page numbering from that specific page. And you can see that they are in order 1 to 3. After the process is completed, make sure to delete that page which is not required to you, that blank page. So I have deleted it. So you can see that the page number has been started from a specific page that I wanted. So if you want to start the page number from 3rd page or 4th page, you can follow the same process to other pages as well. By this way, you can insert a page number from a specific page in your Microsoft Word file. So hope you like the video. Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.